Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about this trading bot that I just purchased the other day. So far it's been doing great. I want to give a shout out to East Coast Crypto for recommending it. And I purchased it yesterday and spent all day figuring it out and setting it up, and then it has to learn where the Bollinger Bands are. There's different ways of setting it, either Bollinger Band or this ping pong or step gain. And right now I have it on the BB, so that worked real nice last night. I loaded 1100 into my account and woke up with 1300, so made about $200 in my sleep, which was pretty nice. The rest of the day though, I haven't really made anything. I've actually lost 10-20 bucks so far, and that's just because it depends on what the market's doing and what the coins that you have selected are doing. So I think I really lucked out and picked some good coins at a good time, and that's why I did so well. I don't think that's going to happen very often, but it's definitely a cool first run. I will make some more videos breaking this down more as I understand it better. Right now, basically, these are your settings here of when to buy or sell. This is 25% above the bottom band and 25% below the top band is where it's going to sell. So this is buy and this is sell, and then this down here is how much. So if we go take a look, here's the Bollinger Bands here, and what it's going to do is buy as it gets close to the, or sell as it gets close to the top, and buy as it gets close to the bottom band. So it's going to buy and then sell, and then buy and then sell. So I also learned that when these break through the bands, it marks reversal of the trend. So I've actually been learning some things by using the bot. It's been a good learning experience, and so far it's been going real good. Here's the coins that I'm purchasing. It's bought some of this EMC2, some Decred, NEM, Litecoin. Maybe I should refresh this. Okay, so those are the coins that it's working with. How much Bitcoin do I have here? Looks like I'm about out of Bitcoin. So as the market's going down, it's buying up the coins, and I believe if it goes too low, it'll sell. If it goes 60% below where you bought it, so that's kind of your security margin or safety net. Yeah, that's really about all I really know about it so far, but I'll keep doing some updates as I learn more. These are the coins that we're working with over here. You can load and save them, stop and start them. So pretty cool so far. I don't think I'm gonna continue to make gains like that all the time. I've heard that you're gonna make between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4%, so probably between like 1 and 4%. So that's pretty cool. I can not worry about trading so much. That's where I've been the last couple of days. Just been trading and taking up a lot of my time, but hopefully now the bot can handle a lot of that for me. Should give me some more time to make videos and stuff like that. Bitconnect's been doing good, approaching $4,000 earned. I'm trying to get up some money for another loan still. Control finance is doing good. I think I might go ahead and drop this 18 back in here. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna add money from my account balance. Let's add 15. I guess we'll just add it all. I was gonna keep it even, but it doesn't really matter. If I add 27, it'll give me an even cents at least. So that sounds good. Let's do that. Alright, cool. And then there's a new program I started using about a week ago. It is supposed to use a bot, but they promised to pay out 3.6 per day. So I would be cautious how much you put in here. It's more just kind of my play money, just to kind of have some fun, try to make some big gains. It's obviously high risk, but it's also high reward. So it's pretty new, so I'm thinking that it's still got a ways to go. You know, I'm worried about how sustainable it will be with paying out 3.6 per day, but usually these programs tend to run at least a couple months, and it's only been a couple weeks, I believe this has been running. Maybe 3 weeks, maybe even a month. I'm not sure exactly. I think it was a couple weeks when I got in a week ago that I seen other people uploading videos about it, and other people have had a real positive experience with it. They do have good tech support. They're set up out of Delaware, and for the most part I've had a good time with them as far as depositing and withdrawals and getting paid. It's nice that you make compounding interest on the hour, so that really helps to build up your active investment quickly. There was one time right before the fork that I made a pretty big deposit, and there was a delay of a couple days of getting it in there, and they said it was because of the network problems, and I think maybe it was because I was transferring from Poloniex, possibly. I know a lot of other people have had problems transferring money out of there. So they did put it into the account and then credit me for the interest that it wasn't in there. So that was pretty cool of them, but it didn't show up here. So I actually made more than an extra 0.02 on this, so really about 0.05 I've made in a week. I started with a couple hundred. here and there I was dropping hundreds in, and then I dropped 500 in, and that's when there was a delay. So I would advise not to put large amounts in, just stick with small deposits, about $100, $200. And if you do want to put more, just do several deposits like that and make sure that they all clear for you, and start with a small deposit and make sure everything's working fine for you. I did end up pulling that money out after the whole problem that I had, but then I've been putting 100 in here and there, and it's quickly built up to now over $600. And I believe I'm going to start pulling money out. Right now I'm letting it compound. So I think if you go to investment, you can see here where you can just choose how much you want to compound. And like I said, it's on the hour, so it really racks up quickly. And yeah, let's take a look at transactions here. I'll do another video breaking this down more. I just wanted to do a quick update on what I've been doing. This is a new program for me. Like I said, I've been using it for about a week, and for the most part it's been pretty good. I've been doing a lot of deposits and withdrawals, testing it out, and for the most part it's worked good. There's just that one right around the fork, and I don't know if it was because of Poloniex, but I changed my wallet, so hopefully now everything will work out good. You can see how quickly it compounds. For instance, if we go down here, you can see the hourly deposit is 346, then 347, 348, and really adds up quickly. So it is high risk, but it's also high reward. Just be careful of how much you put in there. And I think that's pretty much it. I've been purchasing some of this EOS here and there. Got a little bit on Bitconnect too with some IOTA. It's kind of more of a long-term hold. I'm still waiting on my Genesis mining payouts. Last I checked, they're still disabled. I did hear that some people have gotten payouts today, but I'm not one of them. I keep coming in here once a day and scanning this. I scanned Dash earlier. Check Litecoin again. See if maybe it just didn't show up, but yeah, it's kind of a disappointment not getting paid from Genesis. But hopefully that gets straightened out here pretty soon. Also, I started trying to stake Bitconnect again, since I'm going to be leaving the computer on to for the bot to run. I figured I would try to stake these again. I think they said you'd have to wait 20 days, and I waited over 20 days and it never staked. So I think it depends on how much you have in there, or at least it did. I noticed now it says your weight. It used to just say staking, so now maybe it's not so much time but how much you have in there. So I might put a couple more coins in there and see if that helps. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This bot is pretty cool. Pretty excited about this. It was awesome to wake up to have an extra $200 in my account. I think I might go ahead and put some more in there and see what I can do with that. And I'll keep you updated on how this is going. And I think that's pretty much it. Let's refresh the coin market cap here real quick. Looks like Bitcoin's doing good. We might finally get that blue sky breakout. I've been waiting for, and hopefully it brings up the old coins with it, and we can all make a lot of money. Look at Stratus, Monero. A couple coins are still taking off. Bitcoin Cash, while continuing to drop. If it goes much lower than this, I might have to get some more. I was thinking around 200, 220 would be a good place to buy. So maybe if it hits 220, I'll start nibbling away, get a little bit more. Maybe I'll sick the bot on it. I think that's it for now, guys. I'll do a more detailed breakdown of the bot in the future as I learn more about it. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them below, and feel free to sign up for any of these programs. I'll be there to help you if you got any problems, and also feel free to subscribe, like, share the video, hit the bell for notifications, and I think that's everything. I will be talking to you here soon. Have a good weekend, and I'm out.